The Genera Oy GOP7B is a graphical operator panel used with a Wartsila propulsion system for a large vessel. We received this operator panel with a dead screen, which we were able to source and then replace with the resulting video showing the full operation of the system. We were able to protect the programming of this system, and as shown in the video, we were able to send it back to the ship ready to integrate into the panel it was removed from. ERD repairs panels on a daily basis from a wide array of manufacturers and large variety of uses. We typically replace the LCD if it has failed or has burned out, but on some screens, we have the ability to custom make new backlights for the actual LCD. Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.